Okay, so I bought this new Velotric bike, and when I bought the bike, I noticed that two of the gears were not working properly. When I'm in 7th gear and I try to switch to 6th and 5th, the gear doesn't move to the next set of teeth. So in doing some research, found out that you have to move the barrel adjuster, which on this bike is right here. I only have one barrel adjuster. Some bikes have another barrel adjuster up by the handlebar, but I have to loosen the barrel adjuster, so go counterclockwise to make the gears go into 5th and 6th gears. So here we go. So I'm going to switch to 5th gear. In 6th gear and it did not move. So I'm going to loosen barrel adjuster by going counterclockwise. There it goes. Starting to go. You can hear it wanting to go. There it goes. Now it should go into 5th gear. Perfect. 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th.